Activity: take a dice and throw it. Note down the observation as you get the number. The dice was thrown 20 times and the following numbers were obtained. So here are the numbers. So now the collection of numbers which are gathered is called data. Want to find out the occurrence of a number, or if you want to find out how many times a particular number occurs, we have to first arrange the data in a tabular form, and we'll find out the frequency of a particular number by using tally marks. Okay, so tally marks are used to show the frequency of the data. Now let us arrange the numbers in a tabular form. We can see that the minimum range, or we can say the smallest number is 1, and the maximum range, or we can say the highest number is 6. So we will write down the numbers accordingly. And we will find out the frequency of the number. First is 4, 1 vertical line, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 2, 5, 6, 2, 1 diagonal line, 1, 5, 6. Now you can note down the frequency, how many times a number occurs. So 1 occurs 3 times, 2 occurred 5 times, 3 3 times, 4 3 times, 5 3 times, and 6 3 times. Tallies are generally marked in a group of 5 for quick and easy counting. The fifth tally is marked diagonally across the earlier 4. Okay, so here we are seeing that. Now let us find out the mean, median, mode and range of the given data. Mean means the sum of the data values divided by the number of the data items. The mean we can say as an word average. So when we have to find out the mean of the observations given, we have to add all the numbers. The sum of all the observation divided by number of observations. So here we have the number 4, 7. We have to add all the numbers and total number of observations. So total number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So divide by 8. So we get the answer. 30 divided by 8 is equal to 3.75. So we can say that the mean is 3.75. Let us find out the median. Now to find the median, median means the middle number. We can write down the word middle number. The first step is to put the numbers from smallest to the biggest, or we can say there in the ascending order. So let us arrange the number in ascending order. So we have the number 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 7, 8. Now we have to find out the middle value. Which is the middle value? Here we see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 numbers are there, and when you go to the middle number, we get 2 and 4 as the middle number. Okay, 3 from here this side, and 3 from right, and 3 from left side. So here 2 and 4 are the middle numbers. So what we are going to do, we are going to add 2 and 4. So we get 6. Now we can divide 6 by 2. So we will get the answer 3. Therefore the median is 3. Next, find out the mode. Mode means the value, or we can say the number that occurs the most, or we can say maximum number of times. When we see the data given over here, 4, 7, 8, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, here we can see 2 occurs 3 times, maximum time 2 here occurs 3 times, which is the maximum. So the mode of the given data 2, as it occurs 3 times. Now let us find out the range. Range is the difference, or we can see this do the subtraction between the highest and the smallest number. Here we see that the highest value is 8 and the least value is 1. You have to subtract 8 minus 1, or we can say greatest value subtract smallest, or we can say the least value. So we get the answer 7. So the range is